Blue carbon can replace coke, metallurgical coke, and is widely used in chemical industry, smelting, gas and other industries, in the production of silicon metal, ferrosilicon, silicon manganese, chemical fertilizer, calcium carbide, and other energy-consuming products in the process of better than coke. The wide use of orchid carbon, so that the ball press equipment has been widely used. Yulin carbon ball press machine before boot cleaning debris, fixed bolts. 2LAN carbon ball press test machine first used the point method to make the motor pulse rotation, such as no other noise, only when the operation is normal. 3 feeding should ensure that the electric feeder feeding uniform, and according to the warehouse pressure, the electric feeder adjustment to the best effect. After each shift, all the materials in the silo of the blue carbon ball press should be used up, and no raw materials should be left behind to avoid starting with load in the future. Finally, normal stop or emergency stop, as opposed to driving sequence. This is the working process of the blue carbon ball press.